Sir is going to inaugurate the water harvesting policy. What are you going to do? That's it, please. कितना अच्छा लग रहा है कि चलो even the rain has thank you. So this is I don't walk on the body.
हाँ हाँ
See that side, sir, you can find it's already water. There is a lot of water that side. So ये सूखेगा तो वो पानी ऑटोमेटिकली पूरा नीचे जाएगा. He's happy and he's like maybe some freedom or something. But anyway, it's a very peaceful place. Come and check it. Not your tensions and all that. There is over there. There is a lot of positive energies. I don't. Something like that. I don't know.
something useful
Yes.
must be
Even with this tire, we can make this.
हाँ
Tire के साथ भी है.
हाँ
भी कुछ बोलना तो नहीं है ना? नहीं बोलना
बस करके
क्या?
आप लोगों कर देना यार हम खड़े रहेंगे अरे आ जाइए
चलो वेरी गुड अभी इसके ऊपर काम तो है you have to lay down the road. अगर open हो जाएगा तो then people will start using it. Simultaneously we see to the plants and then start. More than the message already reached. बारिश इतना गिर रहा है. I already answered. Otherwise it will crash.
मैं 10:30 तक आऊँगा फिर उधर हाँ ठीक है
hours that we have spent in the school. Being a wonderful and momentous day in the history of KVS, one of the most prestigious organizations of the Government of India, it gives me immense pleasure to welcome all the dignified visionaries to the 57th Foundation Day of KVS. Let the darkness of ignorance be swept away by the traditional lighting of the lamp. I would like to call upon our chief dignitaries and our respected principal madam for lighting the lamp.
Navalita ma'am will start. She's an experience, so we start with her. Devashish Bhattacharya, scientist, Carrie. Mrs. Punita Srivastava and Mr. Alok Srivastava, resource persons for water harvesting. My very dear students of the Vidyalaya, the ones who have passed out maybe till last year, I have all of them here. Yes, my very dear children from the school, dear teachers. Let me first begin by wishing you all a very happy Foundation Day. Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan is celebrating its 57th year of formation and the school its 55th year of existence. As we are all aware, when we talk about KVS, it stands for a brand in education which is quality, innovation and progress. It gives me immense pleasure to join with all the KVNs all around the world in celebrating this 57th year. When this Sangathan has started off as a very small organization with few schools to one which now has around 1200 plus schools all over the country and abroad.
शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय सारे गा मगरि सा गा पानी सनी पग नी सारी रि गा रि सा सामी प नी पग रि सा नी ता 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 धीम 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 ता धी धी धीम ता ता धी धी ता ता धी धी तुम तुम दम दम ता ता धी धी तुम तुम दम दम ता 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 धी धी तुम 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 दम 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 ता 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 धी धी तुम 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 दम 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 तरी तक चुनु दीम तरी तक चुनु तारी केड़ा तक राम तारी केड़ा तक तारी केड़ा तक राम तारी केड़ा तक तारी केड़ा तक तारी केड़ा तक ता 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 धीम 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 ता धी धी धीम ता ता धी धी ता ता धी धी तुम तुम दम दम ता ता धी धी तुम तुम दम दम ता 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 धी धी तुम 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 दम 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 ता 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 धी धी तुम 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 दम 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 तरी तक चुनु दीम तरी तक चुनु तारी केड़ा तक राम तारी केड़ा तक तारी केड़ा तक ताम तारी केड़ा तक तारी केड़ा तक तारी केड़ा तक
मयेन पात्रेण सत्यस्यापिहितं मुखं तत्त्वं पूषन्न पावृणु सत्यधर्माय दृष्टये
केंद्रीय विद्यालय संगठन came into being on 15 December 1963 under the name Central Schools. Later, the name was changed to Kendriya Vidyalaya. The Kendriya Vidyalayas have a four-fold mission: to cater to the educational needs of children of transferable central government employees, to pursue excellence and set the pace in the field of school education, to initiate and promote experimentation and innovations in education, to develop the spirit of national integration and create a sense of Indianness among children. All Kendriya Vidyalayas operate under the aegis of the Ministry of Education, Government of India. As of December 15, 2020, there are a total of 1245 functional KVs across India and 3 KVs in foreign countries, Kathmandu, Tehran and Moscow. All KVs are divided into 25 regions, each headed by a deputy commissioner. For training of staff, KVS has established 5 JEET. KVS has 48,314 employees and 13,88,899 students. Kendriya Vidyalaya number 1, Fort Blair, was founded in the year 1966.
This is the organizational hierarchy of KVS. Education Minister holds the office of Chairman. For assisting him, there is a team consisting Deputy Chairman, then comes Commissioners, Assistant Commissioners, Principals, and Teachers.
Initially, 20 regimental schools that were already functioning were taken over as central schools or Kendriya Vidyalayas during the academic year 1963-64. By the 1970s, 122 Kendriya Vidyalayas started functioning in the country, and as of now, there are 1245 Vidyalayas are working. The scheme of studies for the All India Higher Secondary Examination as adapted to Kendriya Vidyalayas envisaged 3-year course in the higher secondary stage after 8 years of previous schooling. It had been decided that syllabus and textbooks for higher secondary classes in Kendriya Vidyalayas will be the same as prescribed by the Central Board of Secondary Education, New Delhi. At present, 10+2 system is being followed in KVS. In 2009, KVS introduced continuous comprehensive evaluation pattern that was removed in 2017. KVS is now preparing itself to implement the NEP 2020. New Delhi is the headquarters of KVS. For proper functioning of KVs, these are divided in 25 regions: Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Bhopal, Bhubaneswar, Chandigarh, Chennai, Dehradun, Delhi, Guwahati, Hyderabad, Jabalpur, Jaipur, Jammu, Kolkata, Lucknow, Mumbai, Patna, Silchar, Agra, Ranchi, Raipur, Varanasi, Gurgaon, Tinsukia, and Ernakulam. Keeping training need of the personnel in mind, KVS decided to establish its own training institute. Each JEET is headed by a deputy commissioner designated as director, supported by the training staff called training associates and the office staff. As of December 15, 2020, 5 zonal institutes of training has been established. JEET Gwalior was first training institute was established on 30th September 1995. JEET Mumbai came into existence on 1st April 2003. JEET Mysore was established in April 2004. JEET Chandigarh was established in September 2009. JEET Bhubaneswar started functioning since 23 September 2011.
Entrepreneurship, such activity, then you can start like that. So that confidence, not only taking up pisciculture, in other activities also, you will build confidence on that. You have to maintain your health. Just before this function, all of us going to inaugurate that.
तमसोमा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्युर्मा अमृतम गमय। इस मंत्र से जहाँ शुरुआत होती है और तत्वम पोषण अपावृणु जिसका ध्येय वाक्य है, ऐसे केंद्रीय विद्यालय संगठन के बारे में जब हम बात करते हैं तो केवीएन होने के नाते एक गर्व की अनुभूति होती है। इसी गर्व की अनुभूति को स्वर के रूप में प्रस्तुत करने के लिए मैं आवाज़ दे रही हूँ केंद्रीय विद्यालय क्रमांक 1 के विद्यार्थियों को कि वो आए और विद्यालय गौरव गान प्रस्तुत करें। विद्यालय गौरव गान केंद्रीय विद्यालय आगे बढ़ता जाएगा।
morning to all of you. Firstly, I take this opportunity to thank Raji ma'am over here, who has been a very kind collaborator, I would say. We have been associated, ma'am, for the past almost four years or so. So, from Environment and Forest Department, I have been regularly being in collaboration with ma'am, and it has been a great pleasure. Today it's all the more important, and I feel privileged. It's a proud privilege for me, because being a Kavian, so I belong to the era in which we used to call ourselves true blue Kavians. We had a huge influence of blues on us. We didn't have this colorful dresses. We had white and blue, so we call ourselves true blue Kavians. I've been a pass out of Kavian, and to be back here on such a important occasion for us, that is Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan's Foundation Day. This has been possible only because of the support, of the guidance, of the teachings that my teachers have given me all through my growing up years. And I take this stage to convey, I don't know.
Namaskar. Myself, Punita Srivastav of batch 1983. I joined KV1 in the year 1981 in class 11th. Those days, like today, the school used to be the best school in Andamans, and getting admission in the school itself was a matter of pride and honor. As for me, it was a challenge because I was from Hindi medium. I took science stream, and I used to take lot of time in doing to and fro between Pimpaliganj and school. But the teachers and the students, my classmates, used to be so friendly. They used to be so guiding, helping, cooperative, that I could take up this challenge and do well in my studies. I still remember my maths sir, Dikshit sir. After taking the class, he used to come to me and say whether I understood everything properly, or he should explain me separately about some terms in Hindi. He used to take care of each and every student. Like that, every teacher used to take care and see to it that we are learning properly. That way, I could do properly in my school. I could do well in my life. I did civil engineering after my schooling, and now I'm serving the country as a civil engineer. Students, let me tell you, the school has so much to give you apart from your studies. If you see, you have
remote place that is near China border, that is Dirang, where the 1962 war happened. So there also I saw in Kendriya Vidyalaya, because what Madam told, that Kendriya Vidyalaya is spread from border area up to land, up to laboratory. So everywhere the Kendriya Vidyalaya students are here. And particularly after seeing here the condition of the Kendriya Vidyalaya, I am very much impressed, because it is amidst the greens. And another thing we should mind, that now in 2020 actually we have faced a great challenge of COVID-19. So being a scientist, just I want to share, don't ignore the disease, because I had an opportunity to write an article in Indian Journal of Biotechnology few months back, which is getting to be published. Actually we should know why we are wearing masks. For your education I am telling. The SARS-CoV-2 is not a new virus. Actually, it is a reincarnation of a particular virus, but the students I am telling. In 2003 or 2002, there is an outbreak of SARS-CoV, okay, in China. In 2009, again, there was another outbreak which came from the camel.
Namaste, I am Shivram Kumar, PGT Max. I joined this Vidyalaya in 2008. Till then, I am serving in this Vidyalaya. Yes, there are a lot many changes from the 2008 when I joined this Vidyalaya, especially infrastructure. that is not that much good. Only few gardens, only roadside that flower spot, this, that is that. But after that, when Madam joined, she changed entirely the infrastructure of this Vidyalaya. Let me show the math garden first. Yes, this is the one of the good development by Vidyalaya and initiated by Principal Madam. With her support only, we can able to make this math garden. Really, it is very useful for the students. Then they see this cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder, sphere, semi-sphere. Then this all, and whatever the triangles this there are inside, we used to call student. They can see practically this all, and really they are enjoying. And moreover, the formula is there. We are giving assignment to see this and collect the formulas. And really, this is one of the, I think, because I am from maths background, so I will say this is the one of the best thing I seen in this Vidyalaya. Even though whom are coming, they are really appreciating this.
Respected
Thank
Principal Ma'am, respected Chief Guest, all the dignitaries, dear teachers, and dearest students. If I start with our Kendriya Vidyalaya, the first thing you may observe, a campus filled with greenery, having a healthy, eco-friendly environment. And as I enter into the main building of the Vidyalaya, one of the motto statement is written at the entrance. Shiksharth aaye, Sevaharth jaye. Enter for knowledge, leave for service. And in my short tenure of 1 year, as much as I have seen, Kendriya Vidyalaya leaves no stone unturned to make every student successful in his life and to make every student serviceable to the society. Conventionally, high academic standards are expected from a good school, but a best school tries to provide a wholesome development to its students. The
पुराने एल्बम में छुपा के रखे हैं हमने वो दिन, गुल्लक में पड़ी चवन्नी सी बचा के रखे हैं हमने वो दिन। ना किसी मंजिल की फिक्र थी जिंदगी, जीने की उम्र थी, दोस्ती और दोस्तों से उधार के दिन थे, वो दिन भी क्या 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 दिन थे। वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे, वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे, वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे, वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे।
मयेन पात्रेण सत्यस्य अपहितं मुखं तत्त्वं पोषण अपावृणु सत्य धर्माय दृष्टये। नमस्कार। केंद्रीय विद्यालय संगठन के स्थापना दिवस पर प्रस्तुत है मेरी एक स्वरचित कविता। हो विश्वगुरु भारत अपना, हो विश्वगुरु भारत अपना, इसका दृढ़ प्रयास स्वरूप, इसका दृढ़ प्रयास स्वरूप ज्ञान ज्योति का दीपायन केंद्रीय विद्यालय संगठन, ज्ञान ज्योति का दीपायन केंद्रीय विद्यालय संगठन, नव प्रयोगों का वृहद संसार, नव प्रयोगों का वृहद संसार, स्वाधीन राष्ट्र का ज्ञान आधार, घृत ज्ञान के हित, घृत ज्ञान के हित मंथन केंद्रीय विद्यालय संगठन, घृत ज्ञान के हित मंथन केंद्रीय विद्यालय संगठन। यह राष्ट्रमाल मुक्तक विविध, यह राष्ट्रमाल मुक्तक विविध भारत के वरम शिक्षाविद, यह राष्ट्रमाल मुक्तक विविध भारत के वरम शिक्षाविद, विद्यालयी शिक्षा का कंचन, विद्यालयी शिक्षा का कंचन, केंद्रीय विद्यालय संगठन करे ज्ञान का
Good morning, one and all present here, Honorable Principal Ma'am, teachers and my dear students. Today we are going to celebrate KVS Foundation Day. The Kendriya Vidyalayas were established in 1963 with the sole purpose of offering quality education to the children of the transferable central government employees, including those in the defense and paramilitary forces. The chain began with about 20 schools, but now there are 1,250 schools in India and 3 are abroad. I joined KVS in 1986. Since then, I have been observing that these schools are adopting the latest techniques to impart education to the students, to incite curiosity and kindle the spirit of research among students. The Sangathan started Jigyasa scheme few years back, a collaboration with the government-run Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. The scheme is connected with the Council of 37 laboratories. This idea is to equip students to explore on their own. So in the end, I would say that these schools focus on the holistic development of the child. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Respected Principal Ma'am, dear friends, and my dearest students. Today I would like to speak on CCA and skill development through club activities. There is a great significance and importance of club activities in schools. Club activities provide an opportunity to explore, engage, and excel in activities of students' choice. These activities focus on exposing students to new experiences and enriching their lives. Club activities and co-curricular activities are important just as academics. When a student is made to do academics and co-curricular activities, then only a well-rounded development of the student is done. Let us see the benefits of extracurricular activities and club activities. Academics performance is improved, time management skills are developed, learn new and useful skills, sense of commitment, develop real world skills, develop higher confidence and esteem, participation in healthy activities, develop leadership qualities, develop transferable skills, and many more. A good balance between academics and extracurricular activities is crucial for overall development and growth of the students. Always focus and work towards the overall personality development of children. Club activities help students to build their soft skills, attitude, communication, and presentation. Students are encouraged to take up leadership opportunities through various club activities. School clubs are a great way to encourage students to work together as a team and enhance their skill sets, and also help them to develop their leadership skills, all the while engaging and learning new skills. Club activities and co-curricular activities fuels one's learning by stimulating creative thought, improving social and organizational skills, developing interest and confidence. Club activities make you more qualified, enough confident, as well as a capable person who can lead the situation. Club activities also will develop some specific skills in students that are crucial for their career. For instance, one can improve ICT skills, soft skills, creative skills, technical skills through club activities. Soft skills are essential human skills that allow us to communicate effectively with others, such as communication, that is transferable skills, attitude and work ethics.
Good morning to one and all. I am Mrs. Roshni Samuel, working as PGT Chemistry in Kendriya Vidyalaya number 1, Port Blair. I feel so blessed to be partaking in the 57th KVS Foundation Day celebrations today. I joined KVS on 25th September 1996, and since then, I have enjoyed my blissful journey as a teacher, meeting so many people and students from all over the country, learning different cultures and traditions. There has been tremendous changes in the field of academics since I've joined Sangathan. Education has witnessed a paradigm shift from cane and carrot methodology to student-centric approach. It was a bit tricky for us teachers to adapt to the new methods like CCE, including ICT into education field, and finally switching over to an exclusive technology-based teaching. Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan has always enabled us to improve professionally by giving adequate training as per the need of the hour. This has empowered us to tackle with the present pandemic time also, where we had to shift to the online teaching mode. On behalf of the teaching fraternity and galaxy of students, I take this opportunity to express my sincere gratitude to Sangathan for being.
Respected Principal Ma'am, teachers and dear students, Namaskar. As you all know, every year on 15th of December, we celebrate the KVS Foundation Day. This is the time when we recall the journey of our Vidyalaya. As I started my career in this Vidyalaya in the year 1987 as a primary teacher, I have witnessed ebb and flow of this institution. Apart from the infrastructure, teaching methodology has been changed from the traditional to latest digital learning. More emphasis on the all-round development of every child. Now, whatever we are seeing is the result of the efforts and hard work of all the staff and students and principals. Thank you.
என்னை தந்த பாலன் அவன் அசுர தம்மை வென்ற வடிவேலன் அழகு தெய்வமாக வந்து பழனி மலை மீதில் நிற்கும் ஆதிசக்தி என்னை தந்த பாலன் அவன் அசுர தம்மை வென்ற வடிவேலன் நல்ல அமுதமென்னுமோர் தமிழில் பாடி நண்பர் வாழவே கருணை செய்குகன் நரனுகது குருவாமுயசீலன் அவன் நர் சுரந்தி காக்கும் மனுகூலன் நல்ல அமுதமென்னுமோர் தமிழில் பாடி அன்பர் வாழவே கருணை செய்குகன் நரனுகது குருவாமுயசீலன் அவன் நர் சுரந்தி காக்கும் மனுகூலன்
मेरा बताइए। आज मैं 2 इंसिडेंट आपको सुनाऊंगा और आप अपने को नेचर के साथ इंटीग्रेट कीजिए, आपको पता चलेगा कि कितना जरूरी है हमारे लिए। पहली बात तो ये है कि आप ये जान लीजिए कि विद्यालय की सीमा ही आपके सीखने की जगह नहीं है। पूरी दुनिया एक विद्यालय है, बशर्ते आप एक छात्र बने तब। The whole world is a learning place. It's not limited to your own school, isn't it? Provided you should be a student. You should have an eye and brain and capability to learn and grasp things. ठीक है? तो 2 इंसिडेंट ऐसा है कि एक बार मैं अपने घर के सामने कुछ पेड़ है उसमें पानी डालना, धूप का समय था ना, जैसे बताया कि पिछले बार, तो लोग बोले कि सर आप यहाँ इस पेड़ में पानी डाल रहे हैं, ये तो आपका नहीं है, इससे आपको क्या फायदा होगा, आप इस पेड़ में क्यों पानी डाल रहे हैं? मैं बोला भाई वो सूख जाएगा। लेकिन वो इंसिस्ट करते हैं, मुझे पहले दिन तो कहा, दूसरे दिन तो कहा उसने, सर आप इस पेड़ पे क्यों पानी डाल रहे हैं? फिर मैं बोला भाई वो पेड़ जब ऑक्सीजन देता है तो क्या वो मतभेद करता है हमारे आपके बीच में? वो भले ही आपके पड़ोसी का पेड़ हो, लेकिन अगर उसको गाय खा जाएगी तो नुकसान आपका भी है। You will be deprived of the oxygen.
I'm privileged to propose the vote of thanks on this memorable occasion on behalf of our Vidyalaya. First of all, let me start by giving the glory to the Almighty God for making today's occasion a resounding success. I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to our Honorable DC, Sri Sunil Anjipakka IAS, District Commissioner, South Andaman, for inaugurating the rainwater harvesting project and the outdoor gym of our Vidyalaya. He found time to grace the occasion despite of his busy schedule. Thank you, sir. I would also like to thank Sri Hari Kalikata IAS, SDM, for joining us today for the inaugural function. Thank you to you also, sir. Next, I would like to extend our heartfelt thanks to Mrs. Namanita Ganguly, IFS, Department of Forest and Environment, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, the alumni of the Vidyalaya, for dignifying the occasion with her presence in contempt of her tight schedule and spreading the spirit of being a KVN. Thank you, ma'am. Now I would like to thank Dr. Utpal sir, Director of Fisheries and Nicobar Islands, for his presence and for his association with the Vidyalaya for the rainwater harvesting project. We extend our gratitude to you, sir. Next, I would like to thank Mr. Devashish Bhattacharya sir, the scientist from CIARI, for gracing the occasion with his presence and for giving the awareness about the root cause of pandemic and the importance of wearing masks in this current scenario. Thank you, sir. We owe a special gratitude to Mr. Alok Srivastava sir and Mrs. Punita Srivastava ma'am for their guidance and support they offered for the rainwater harvesting project in the Vidyalaya. And this occasion would not have been complete without your presence, sir. Thank you, sir, and thank you, ma'am. Next, I would like to extend our gratitude to the alumni of the Vidyalaya, you people out there, for the association with Vidyalaya and also for the support they have offered. Thank you. Next, I would like to thank our Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Raji, for her interminable support and guidance for the successful completion of the function. Thank you, ma'am. Also, I extend my gratitude to all the staff members of the Vidyalaya for their cooperation in making this occasion a resounding success. Once again, on behalf of the Vidyalaya, I thank all the dignitaries who joined us today and all those who joined the function offline and online. Thank you. Thank you all. Have a nice day. Now we'll have the national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे